Welcome back. Enforcement Directorate investigation in Sushant Singh Rajput case is now intensifying. Sushant Singh's sister, Neetu Singh, has recorded a statement with the ED. Sources are telling India Today that the former manager, Shruti Modi, who landed for third round of questioning, has said that Rhea Chakraborty used to take financial and project-related decision on behalf of the late actor. The probe agency also taken Rhea's, her brother, also her father's mobile phone to download the data during their 10-hour interrogation yesterday. Rhea Chakraborty may be called again for a third round of questioning likely tomorrow. She was grilled, remember, for 10 long hours yesterday and also 8 hours on Friday. That apart from her brother, who was also questioned. ED is, remember, looking into a mysterious change of an IP address of Sushant Singh's server just 10 days before his death, and are also trying to retrieve, if possible, some of deleted WhatsApp messages. Sushant's former flatmate Siddharth Pithani also is at the ED office. So I'm going directly now to Mumbai. That's where all the action is. Mustafa Sheikh joining me. Mustafa, you've been tracking this case, but with these long hours of questioning, what sort of trail is the ED looking at? Because they are now, it seems to be focusing on Rhea, her brother, the father, and also one of the former managers. What exactly is the trail that you're getting from your sources?
Well, Pooja, the ED sources are yet to comment on the latest investigations, if there has anything revealed, because since past 2 days they were saying that Rhea Chakraborty and Shouvik have not really answered their questions directly. Also, it's an important day because it's first time that Sushant's family member, his sister Neetu Singh, has come to record statements, and she may also bring to light some facts. As far as Shruti Modi is concerned, as you rightly pointed out, that they are able to establish that Rhea Chakraborty was taking business decisions, but at the same point of time they have to establish that whether there was some financial misdoing that can be traced to either Rhea Chakraborty or her brother Shouvik Chakraborty. That is an important part because Shouvik is director in the two companies which Sushant had invested in. So that is the most important part wherein ED has to come out, because remember, Mumbai police investigation had shown that there was no such big amount transacted in Sushant's account, which is to the tune of 15 crores. But the family has made this allegation on which the ED is now investigating. So we'll have to wait and see on a daily basis what the Enforcement Directorate is able to reach at, and we'll be able to give you a better picture by this evening. Back to you.
Mustafa, stay on with me because Munish Pandey is also joining us, who's tracking the Enforcement Directorate. From what it appears, Munish, that this is going to be a specific technical trail. They are looking at phones, they are looking at IP servers, they are trying to retrieve deleted WhatsApp messages. So it seems Enforcement Directorate is ensuring that they have a solid evidence, at least via software, to at least put on their domain of what they have, what went missing really in this case. Munish.
Yeah, well, Pooja, why this is important? Because there is one specific allegation that Rhea Chakraborty and her family members siphoned off more than 15 crore rupees. But as of now, there is no direct evidence which can substantiate these allegations, and that is why ED at this point of time is trying to gather as many as evidence in this case. All the witnesses or people who were close to Sushant Singh Rajput in this case, they have been called in for recording for their statement. Also, Rhea Chakraborty, Shouvik Chakraborty, Indrajit Chakraborty and Shruti Modi, who are named accused in the case, they have been called in for questioning. But Rhea Chakraborty has not been cooperating with the investigation. Shouvik Chakraborty has not been cooperating with the investigation. This is what ED is alleging, and that is why their phone data was downloaded by them so that they can find out if there was any trace which has been deleted by both brother and sister. As far as the investments are concerned, we all know that investment of Rhea Chakraborty is under question, because according to 2017 and 2018 and 2019 income tax returns, her total income is 18 lakh each year, but her total investment is more than what she has earned. So ED wants to know that what the source of income is. But important here is to point out that these are the investment made before she met Sushant Singh Rajput. But during that period, the companies which are under scanner of Enforcement Directorate, the number of transactions between Sushant Singh Rajput to Riya Chakravarti. All these are now under probe, but there is no direct evidence, and that is why all these are circumstantial evidence. And the more evidence ED will gather, they can make a tight case in this as far as the allegations of money laundering is concerned.
Okay, Munish, I request you to stay on with me. I want to thank Mustafa for now. We'll continue to come back to you as well.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.